Coplanar forces of magnitudes 50, 48, 14 and P act at a point in the directions shown in the diagram. So 50, P, 14, 48 are acting at this point. The system is in equilibrium. So underline it. Whenever equilibrium is told, Rx equal to 0 and next Ry equal to 0. If you write those two conditions beforehand, it is easier. Next, given that tan alpha equal to this much, find the value of P and theta. From these two equations, two unknowns, I can easily find the value of P and theta. So first step, find Rx. To Rx, this is the given diagram. So I assume it to be x-axis and this y-axis. 50 is acting vertically up, so I don't need to resolve it. Now this is acting at an angle alpha, so this should be resolved. How? Drop a line, vertical line perpendicular to x-axis. Now instead of walking in this way, I could go in this way till here, then I could move down. Now this is adjacent to alpha, so it becomes 48 cos alpha. This side is opposite to alpha, so it becomes 48 sin alpha. Resolving 48 is completed. Next, P. P is also acting at an angle theta, so I should resolve even P. For that, form a right angle triangle again. Instead of walking in this way, I could come till here, then I could move down. So now this part is adjacent to theta, so it becomes P cos theta. This is opposite to theta, so it becomes P sin theta. Clear? Even this also needs to be resolved. At what angle is it acting? I need to drop a line and form a right angle triangle. I can't drop a line onto x-axis in the positive direction. So over here I need to drop the line. This is a right angle triangle for this one. Now, how much is this angle? I don't know. How much is this entire angle? We don't know. We need to find out that, right? For that, we know this one. This entire is how much? 180. From the total, if I remove this one, minus 90, and this one, minus alpha, left out is this part. Agreed? From the total is 180. From that, this is removed, so minus alpha, then this is removed, so minus 90, this is left out. Will become how much? 180 minus 90, 90 minus alpha. So this angle is 90 minus alpha. Completed? Next. Instead of walking from here to here, I could come back in this direction, then from here I could move down. And this part is adjacent to 90 minus alpha, so it becomes 14 cos 90 minus alpha, which is 14 sin alpha. Next, this is opposite to 90 minus alpha, so it is 14 sin 90 minus alpha, which is sin and 90, so it will change to cos alpha. 90 cos gets changed to sin, 90 minus sin gets changed to cos. Is it clear? We have resolved all the forces. Now let's write Rx. What all are acting in the positive x-axis? Over here, 48 cos alpha. So it is 48 cos alpha. Only 48 cos alpha is acting in positive. What is acting in the negative x-axis? P cos theta is negative, 14 sin alpha is also in negative. So minus P cos theta minus 14 sin alpha equal to 0 is Rx. Now, alpha I already know. So make P cos theta the subject. Send P cos theta to the other side. So what will it become? P cos theta. This I am shifting is 48 cos alpha minus 14 sin alpha. I know alpha value. Tan alpha equal to this much means alpha equal to tan inverse 7 by 24. Don't calculate this. Use it as it is in place of alpha. So it becomes 48 cos tan inverse 7 by 24 minus 14 sin brackets tan inverse 7 by 24 equal to P cos theta. Now put this in the calculator. You get the answer to be 42.16 is your P cos theta. Now let's resolve Ry. What all are acting in positive y-axis? Only 50. So 50. What all are acting in negative y-axis? 48 sin alpha. So minus 48 sin alpha. What is acting in below more? 48 sin alpha and also these two, which is P sin theta and also 14 cos alpha. So minus P sin theta minus 14 cos alpha equal to 0. Clear? So make P sin theta the subject. Send it to the other side. This side will be 50 minus 48 sin alpha minus 14 cos alpha equal to P sin theta. Now replace alpha value by the given this one. So what do I get? 50 minus 48 sin tan inverse 7 by 24 minus 14 cos tan inverse 7 by 24 equal to P sin theta. Now put this entire thing in the calculator. You get P sin theta equal to 23.12. Now using these two I need to find the value of P and theta. I divide the both. So below this I write here P cos theta and other side as well 42.16. What gets cancelled? P. So here it is tan theta equal to 23.12 by 42.16. You want theta send tan to the other side. Tan shifts, it becomes tan inverse. Put in the calculator. Theta value you get 28.7. We found the value of theta. Now, I even need to find the value of P. So use this theta here to get P. So send cos theta to the other side. So P equal to 42.16 by cos theta. Right? Now replace theta which we found earlier, which is 28.7. Put in this thing, keep it in the calculator. You get P value to be 48.1 is our answer.